So let us look at how we can create a perfectly aligned line when creating a form. If you look at these lines, you will see that they are not properly aligned. Uh, the same thing with this one, either dotted lines or straight line. If you look at them, not properly aligned, you will see that one or two are not on the same line with others. So, but how can we do that? Just if you have something like this, just highlight it. Create a left tab indent on your ruler. Make sure you place it where you want the line to stop, like this. Then come to paragraph, the dialog box launcher. Select tabs at the bottom. Then select 2. If you want a dotted line, select 2. If you want a straight line, select 4 or any other type. Press OK. So click here and press your tab key. It will create a perfect aligned dotted line or straight line. Go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one, tab again. If you look at it, if you compare this, you will see that they are different. This one is perfectly aligned.